What happened to Altseason? Let's take a dive into the facts in the charts. Firstly, we check this money flow for the path to Altseason and see which stage we are at. Bitcoin market makers move the profits from Bitcoin into Ethereum, then from Ethereum into large cap alts, then into the small cap alts. Let's check the stages to see what has happened already. First stage, has Bitcoin pumped to all-time highs? Stage 1 is done as shown by the evidence in the chart. Stage 2, has Bitcoin money moved to Ethereum? We see since April 2025. Bitcoin money has moved into Ethereum on this ETH/BTC chart. On the ETH/USDT chart, we see prices now at previous all-time high. More on this chart later in this video. So, stage 1 is done. Stage 2 is done. This leaves us at stage 3, which has not happened yet. Let's take a look at why and when this will happen. On the total market cap minus Bitcoin chart, we see it trying to break previous all-time high. On the RSI, it is trying to break above the red trend line. On the total market cap minus Bitcoin and Ethereum chart, we see the orange price ranges show each Altseason and how much percent gained. The pink price ranges show the bear markets. Based on previous Altseasons, we can see a price range on where this Altseason should get to. The orange and red horizontal lines show top and bottom ranges. Currently, this chart is also testing the previous high. Break out here up to targets above, or reject here and move down to orange line. When looking at the date ranges for time from previous high to when break above it, we see current cycle is already past this date range previously, which is why the Altseason is so delayed. Nearly 1 year later, it still has not broke out above, showing this cycle is slightly different due to the safer assets like Bitcoin dominating. This is the order we now want to see these cycles of dominance go through. Increase BTC dominance with BTC price stable, consolidating above all-time highs, while alts stable also. Then a drop in BTC dominance while Bitcoin stable and alts pumping. This is where large caps would pump. Then BTC dominance still going down, and Bitcoin going parabolic, as well as lots and lots of altcoins. Now to the Bitcoin dominance chart. Dominance dropped where I spoke last time about this chart. A move to the purple line I drew was completed, and then a bounce has now happened. A move up to the blue line would coincide with our cycles playing out in that order mentioned before. Then a drop from that blue line to coincide with the decreased parts of the cycle. A drop down to the white MA144 is the breakpoint where alts go full-blown parabolic once this is broken, just as per the previous cycles once candles went under the MA144. So now we watch for this next stage of Altseason to play out. Using the charts in this video, we will know when Ethereum breaks out and in turn pushes money into the large cap alts. Bitcoin must continue to stay around these prices and not crash down to fill that CME gap we know of down at 110,000. The USD chart must break down from this bearish flag type structure. The Ethereum chart shows some clues also to Altseason. The green trend lines show whichever you use, price broke above them, then retested the line. A bull flag has formed which should propel Ethereum to break the red all-time high resistance. This is when the larger caps will start to move also after profits from Ethereum spill into them. This will all line up with these market cap charts breaking out also as well as the RSI. If there is no breakout soon on Ethereum or other market cap charts, we will see alts struggle yet again this cycle. Much will depend on what Bitcoin does right now. So, check my previous videos for detailed analysis on Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe to Bitcoin in 3 minutes.